Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at DOS Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we post it. Our phone number and website are in the description. Today we got a 2017 Hino 268A with a 26-foot box on the back. Got some Goodyear tires on the front here. Lots of tread left on there. This truck has a 90-gallon diesel tank. Keep you from having to stop for fuel as often. Now the wheels and the box have been repainted. Box is looking great. We've also repainted the chassis with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any new rust from forming and prevents any existing rust from spreading. Some nice tires on the back here as well. About 90% tread left on these. Great condition. This truck comes equipped with a 2,500 pound capacity Maxon Liftgate, which has also been repainted with the anti-rust paint. This has a rollback door as well. If you can see it here, but 2,500 pounds there in the middle. The steps have also been repainted. Pay no attention to the mud from my boots. They've been repainted with the anti-rust paint as well. DEF fluid tank is on the passenger side of these Hino trucks. As you can see, this truck is looking great. We've also repainted the bumper with the same white paint as the box and the wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab here. This truck's been thoroughly detailed inside and out. This has an air seat as well. And the seats are in great condition. As you can see, no rips or tears. One nice thing about these Hinos is the washer fluid reservoir is under the passenger seat. So if you have a bottle in the truck and you run out of washer fluid, you can refill it while on the move. This truck also has air brakes and a CD player. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. This particular Hino has 217,336 miles. As you can see, no lights on the dash. This truck is looking and running great. This truck also has an exhaust brake here, which you can see on the stem. You pull back on the stem and that shifts it into gear for the exhaust brake, turns it on. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Taking a look under the hood now. This Hino comes equipped with a 7.6 liter J08E Hino Motors engine. coupled with an automatic transmission. This truck is looking and running great. It's ready to get to work right away. And there you have it, a 2017 Hino 268A with a 26-foot box, a 2,500 pound capacity Maxon Liftgate, a 90-gallon diesel tank, air brakes, air seat, and this is a non-CDL truck with a GVWR 25,950 pounds. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.